Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Plug in or ensure battery above 20% so the process won't be interrupted. Once ready, unlock the phone and open Settings. Search for Security or Lock Screen. This is where you set credentials. You need your existing PIN, password, or fingerprint to change protection. If you use biometric unlock, make sure enrollment is available. Do this now so you don't get stuck midway and can proceed straight into creating a new password. You now select the lock type that matches your needs. Password for strength, PIN for speed, pattern for convenience. Tap the option and enter your new password when prompted, then confirm it by entering it again so the system verifies accuracy. Make sure you follow complexity rules, minimum length or required characters, because this prevents simple guesses. Once accepted, enable biometric options or a backup PIN if offered, as this makes daily unlocking easier while keeping your account. You finish by saving changes and testing the new password right away. Lock the phone and unlock it to confirm success. Next, make sure recovery options are set. Link a Google or Apple account, add an alternate email, or set security questions so you can regain access if needed. If you encounter problems, forgotten password or failed verification, use the official device recovery process or contact manufacturer support. Do not try unverified tools because they can erase data or void warranty.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.